Good night, everyone. This is Mary with Hog Wild Designs. Tonight I'm going to do a little painting on a Patriotic sign, and so first thing we're going to do is we're going to stencil some stars on, and I already put painter's to, and I base coated my signs. It's a blue color, so we're gonna put painter's tape down because I only want to stencil my stars only on half of the sign. So I'm trying something different tonight. I bought these little pouncer things at Dollar Tree. We'll see how they work for me. I already know I don't like it. I think I'm gonna have to resort to my makeup sponge. It's just different. Just feels different. Refresh my page here to see if there's any comments coming up here while I'm painting. I'll figure out how to refresh here. Oh, here we go. So I'm upstairs in my makeshift craft room. And now that the weather has warmed up, it's a little stuffy, so you might hear my fan running in the background, or I could end up having a hot flash, and then I'll be a sweaty mess. So let's see. All right. Hey, I see Pris is on. How are you? I'm going to do one coat with this awful pouncer, and I'm going to resort back to my makeup sponges because this, I just don't like it. I don't feel like I have the control like I do with the makeup sponges. So fortunately, I didn't spend a lot. I got it at Dollar Tree, so I got a package of 3. And maybe when the kiddos come over, they can, the grandkids, when they come over, they can use these little pouncers because Grandma doesn't care for them. So, I'll do another star out here somewhere. Alright, so we have half of it with the stars on here, so I'm going to remove my painter's tape. And so this other half, we're going to put a sunflower on here. So, got a couple different browns. We're going to start with the center of it. So we're going to start with the center. I'm just going to make a half circle. I guess it would be a quarter circle. I'm just going to fill this in. It's got a little, it's a little wet. So I've painted sunflowers in the past on some welcome signs, and those were my first sunflowers that I had ever painted, and so I had used a stencil for them, but I am branching out and doing some freehand painting now. I painted a sign the other night that has it's more of a collage type of picture, and in one of the squares I painted something very similar to what this sign is going to be, so with this little sunflower. I'm gonna have to let this dry and give it a couple more coats. So I have a variety of different yellows or kind of golden colors, so we are going to maybe try this one first. Here we go. We're gonna, this is always the part that I get worried about the most, is the starting of my petals. So I'm going to make 2 layers of petals. Well, the first layer will be petals that are longer. Whoopsie. And so we'll do those first. and add a few extra stars down in here. But I think that is about done.